Emily, what's happening? Congratulations.
Thank you.
What sold you on this house?
Oh, definitely the backyard.
All right. Our client just got the score of a lifetime here in Valley Center. Look at this beautiful home. Okay, so the new owner is inside. Look at that cute pink door. You could have like possible weddings here.
You absolutely could.
Is that a possibility for you?
I don't know. We'll see. But look at this beautiful space. 2 acres, lots of different fruit trees.
Was there 100? They said 100 fruit trees?
Yeah, we've seen pomegranates, avocados.
Out front? Yeah, that avocado tree out front's just dropping them like nobody's business.
Yeah. Yeah, your YouTube videos are pretty good.
They're fun. Kind of
so
cool.
Your wedding's out here, hanging out. With some crystals.
Yep.
A bird of paradise.
And your daughter said what she wants: a horse, chickens, and sheep.
Ducks, yeah, mini ponies, a Highland cow. All of it.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. I told her she has to clean the koi pond first.
It just goes on and on and on. So you got your vegetable garden there, and then down goes all the way out to Lilac Road. This is a 2-acre property with multiple tough sheds around. That's a brand new tough shed, by the way. Comes with this nice hot tub. It's a nice full 2-car garage. Washer dryer. Big barn sliding door. Bed 2. A nice upgraded bathroom. And the primary. Okay, here are a couple pictures of the actual house through the multiple listing service. So obviously you have the front there, an outline of the 2-acre parcel, private gated entry, nice canary palms, palm trees, decks. There's 2 or 3 decks you can sit out in the sun, nice open porch, RV parking, paid for solar, sparkling hot tub. That's the back looking southeast. Another tough shed, big vaulted ceilings, lots of open light and bright. This is really turnkey, ready to move in. A couple little things, you know, the refrigerator has a couple little dents in it, things like that, but she did not need a turnkey home. She's a very do-it-yourselfer, very mechanical, so this was just the absolute perfect property. And at $850, it actually appraised for $870,000, so it appraised $20,000 higher than purchase price, which she was very excited for. Again, here's the koi pond, another deck to lay out on. Just a wonderful, wonderful property. Now she is going to need a pretty high power blower to keep the leaves and all of the foliage pushed off the sidewalks and brick pavers and things. Just going through here, you can see the solar there, so she shouldn't have an electric bill. Unless she's looking at an electric car, so I had her drive my Model Y, and she's actually thinking about going electric, since she's going to have a little bit of a commute, try to save her some money. You'll see there's the nurseries, lots of nurseries in Valley Center in the county of San Diego. Another bonus she really loved about this property, let's take a look on Google Earth. So here's the property here. She could be up into LA in less than an hour, out to Borrego Springs, see the wildflowers, or do some hiking in about an hour, to the beach in probably 20-25 minutes, down to San Diego, be at the airport in 40-45, over to Temecula in 25 to 30 minutes. So just a wonderful centrally located part of San Diego County. If you're looking to move to, go to places like LA, down south towards the border or east, you can be surfing, you can be skiing, or you can be riding out in the dunes on your dirt bikes within a few hours, just about anywhere from this property. So my name's David Domangos, real estate expert here in San Diego. If you're looking to make a move into or out of San Diego, or have questions about what the market's doing, all of my information is in the description below. You can call, email, text, Zoom, and we'd be happy to see if we can't help you make a transition into or out of San Diego. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next video.